In today's video, we will see some data cleaning and Excel tricks which you are really going to love. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays.
This is a daily sales report in which I have got sales of all the months from January to December, but the months are not in a proper sequence. Jan is over here, March is over here. Before August, we can find July. So we are not going to use Ctrl C, Ctrl V over here. We will select our data and we will come on the edge. Here we will get an icon of palm or sign of palm. Then we will press shift and we will drag it wherever we want to place it. We can see a dark green line over here. We will release our mouse and our data got shifted. So now it's Jan, Feb, March, May. So we will have to place April before May. We will select this. We get palm icon. We will press shift and we will drop it over here. So our data got shifted. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. In the same way, we will have to put July also. I'll select this. I got icon of palm. I'll press shift and I'll drop it over here. So our data got managed very properly now.
This is the data in which we have country details like country name, capital, currency and continent. But all the things are typed together or put together. We have to divide in different columns. We will have to click on first name. Here it's C3, so we have to type C3 over here. Next is C4, then C5 and C6. When we will come to second, it's from C7, so we will type C7, C8, C9, C10. After that, we have to come down and check what's our last number. So it's C42. We have to go up. We have to select this. Drag till C42. So this thing is done. After that, we have to give command Control F. A box will pop up. Find what? C. Our country details are in C and we have to click on replace. Replace with equal to C and replace all. Okay, and we will close this box. You will see all the details are filled up very nicely within seconds. This is the data in which we have to create tables, and along with tables we have to create drop downs also. If we will be doing this manually, it's going to take lots of time. We will select all this. We'll give a command Control T. A box will pop up, create table. We have to do OK. And you will see our table is created very nicely. If you want, you can change color from here. So this thing is also done within seconds. This is the data in which we have got employee names, but it's not in proper format. To get this in proper format, we will have to give a command plus trim bracket open. We have to select this, bracket close, enter. You will see that all the names are within proper format. But now also some are in capital and some are in small. Now we have to give another command that is proper, bracket open. We have to select this, bracket close, enter. This is done. If you want all the names in upper cases, you have to give command plus upper, bracket open. You have to select this, bracket close, enter. You have to drag this. If you want all the names in lower case, the command will be plus or equal to lower, bracket open, select this, enter. And this thing is done.
This is the data in which I have got all the details in single column. So we have to divide company name, invoice number, region, client name and items. We will have to type company name over here. So company name is Samsung, invoice number 201, region East, client name it's Albert and items. Item is mobile. Here also we will be giving the command Control E and all the things will be filled through flash fill. You will notice that after Samsung we got name of Apple, then Sony, Vivo, JBL and like that. Invoice number Control E, region Control E, client name Control E and items Control E. So all the things got filled within seconds through our flash fill command. These are few numbers which we want to convert in percentage. If we will be going by old school way means if we will be dividing all the numbers by 100 and if we will be doing formatting, it will take some time as well as few steps will be involved. What we will have to do? We will have to type 1% over here. Now we will copy this, Control C and we will select this data. We will right click the mouse and we will be going in paste special. Over here we will get option of operations. We will select multiply and we will do OK. You will notice that all the numbers got converted in percentage. Now we can delete this. So our data is ready now. We can see a format over here in which data from few cells are missing. We can see here it's blank, here it's blank, here it's blank, and so on. With missing data, it's really very challenging to analyze. So it would be better to remove the blank cells. We will have to select all the data and we will press function F5. Here a box will pop up. We will click on special. Here we will get option of blanks. We will click on OK. Now we will press Ctrl minus and we will select entire row. We will press OK or we will click OK, and you will notice that all the blank cells got removed from here and our data is ready to analyze. This is the data in which I have got some blank cells and I can't analyze the data without those figures. Either I will have to delete the blank cells or I will have to ask my employees to refill the data and send me again. But it's really a challenging task to check where the data is missing. Now I'll have to insert any special character in the blanks and will have to send back to my employees so that they can easily know where they have to fill the data. We will select all the data. We will press function F5. We will press special or we will click on special. We will select blanks and we will do OK. You will notice that all the blanks got highlighted in grey, but one blank is in white, and this is the master blank. We will come in our formula bar and we will put a special character over here. I'll put missing. Now you don't have to click outside the box. You have to give a command, and that is Control Enter. You'll notice that missing got filled everywhere. Now we have to go in Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and we will type missing over here. We will do OK. So all the missing word got highlighted in red. Now my employees will know where the data is missing. Once they will fill the data, the red part will be, or red color will be, vanished. I'll put my name over here and you will notice that the red color or red highlight part got vanished. Now I will send this to my employees and they can fill the data easily. This is a data in which all the details are just in a single column. And the interesting fact is, different data is in different cells which can't be managed by flash fill. So we will have to use the different technique over here. We will click over here in the company name. We will click plus or equal to. We will select the company name. We will do enter. We will come in invoice number plus or equal to. We will select the invoice number. Enter. Region plus or equal to. We will select this. Enter. Items plus or equal to. Items. Enter. Client's name plus or equal to, and we will select client's name. Enter. Now we have to select this and we will have to drag this till down. We will have to leave this selected and we have to give a command, that is function F5. A box will pop up and here we have to select special. We will click on blanks and we will do OK. Now we have to give another command, that is Control minus, and we have to select shift cells up, not the entire row or not the entire column. Now we will click on OK. And you will notice that all the data got managed very well in the cells. Now we will have to select all this, Control C or Command C, and we have to paste special over here, paste special values. Now if we want, we can delete this thing and our data is very proper. This is the data of monthly sales in which I have got some figures, but you will notice that before few figures, comma is inserted. Few figures are in text format, due to which I am not able to analyze the data properly. And the figures over here means sum total is wrong. We have to use a very simple technique over here. We will type 1 in a cell. We will have to copy this, Control C or Command C. We will have to select the whole data. We have to right click the mouse, paste special, and from here we will go in operations and we'll select multiply and we will do OK. You will notice that the sum total, which was something 49, now it's nearly 70. So all the data got managed very well, and the comma, which was in the very beginning, or the few numbers which were in text format, got totally removed. This is the data in which we have got product along with monthly sales and sales target. But few items and their sales got inserted twice by mistake, such as mobile. We can see mobile over here. Watch is over here, means it's repeated. Now we will have to remove all the duplicate entries. We will select all the data. We will be going in conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, and we will click on duplicate values. We will do OK. So all the duplicate values got highlighted. Now we will go in data. And here you will find an option of remove duplicates. We will click over here. We will do OK. Here we will get an alert, 7 duplicate values found and removed. 13 unique values remain. We will do OK and all the duplicate values got removed. We will delete this and our data is very proper now. This data was compiled by my new employee. It seems that he needs some training on Excel. The data is looking very shabby. First of all, we will have to clear all the formatting part. We will select this, Ctrl C and we will paste over here just to check how our data will be looking before and after the formatting part. We will select all this. We will go in home and on the right hand side we will get an icon of eraser. We have to click on drop down and we have to click on clear formats. So all the formats got removed. Now we have to give a command, that is Ctrl T. A box will pop up and on the top it will be written create table. We have to do OK. So our table got created over here. We will select this once again and over here we will be going in table. From here we can change the color of the tables. So now we can compare what the data we got and how our data is looking now. This is the dirty data in which I got name of few people. You will notice that there is lots of space either in the beginning or in the middle of the name. Even few names and the surnames are starting with small letter. Let's do some magic to make it proper. We will click over here, means in the next cell, and we will give a formula that will be plus or equal to trim. Bracket open, we will select this, bracket close and we will do enter. We will drag this till end. So all the blanks got removed from the beginning or from the mid part. But still the first name and surnames are in small letters. Now we have to insert another formula, that is proper, plus or equal to proper, bracket open. We will select this, bracket close and we will do enter. We will drag this till end and this thing got managed. Now we have to select this, Ctrl C or Command C and we have to paste over here. Paste special values. We will select this and we will delete this. So our employee list is created very properly now. This is a data which is not in a form of a table. Our motto is to create a proper table along with drop downs and insert color scaling as well as data bars. We will select all the data and we will be giving a command Ctrl T. A box will pop up and here we have to click on OK. So our table is created now along with drop downs. We can select color from here. Now we have to insert color scales and color bars in our achieved sales. Now we will select the achieved sales. We will be going in home and then conditional formatting. From here we will be going to color scales and we will select any color scale over here. So our color scaling is done. Now we will be going to conditional formatting once again and from here we will select data bars. Our data bars got inserted over here. We will take this in left. We will increase the size. And you will notice that our achieved sales is showing along with color scaling and data bars. This is the sales data in which I have got details like client's name, item, quantity, sales, sales target and target versus achieved. Here we see that sales target has got no formulas and target versus achieved has got formulas. In case we want to copy only values and not the formulas, we will have to copy this, then we will have to go in paste special, paste values. So it will be taking lots of time. We are going to follow a simple step over here. We will select this. Then we will come on the edge of this data and we will see a palm sign or palm icon. We will press Ctrl and we will drag it. We will be getting lots of options over here, so we will be selecting copy here as values only. And our values got pasted over here. We can see the formulas got removed. This is the data in which I have got all the details in a single column and I have to divide this in company name, invoice, region, items and client's name. My data starts from B3, means from here, B3, and data ends at B62 over here, B62. We will come on the top, we will click over here and we will type cell. We can type anything over here, even I can type monk over here, space, and I'll type B3, means starting cell number B3. I'll drag this till here. B7 is my client's name, B7. B8 is my company name, means it will start from here, B8. So I'll copy this, I'll paste it over here and I'll do it B8 and I'll drag this. Now I'll select both and I'll drag till B62. Now we will press Ctrl H and find what? Find monk and replace with equal to. Replace all. OK, we will close this. and all our data got unstacked very properly. We can see all the company names are over here: invoice number, region, items, and client name. I have got a data over here in which I have got name of the employee and employee ID. I want to split this data in two columns. Means I want to split employee name and employee ID in two different columns. I'll select this and I'll come in data. Here we will get an option of text to options. We will click over here. Instead of delimited, we will have to click it over here, fixed width. We will do next and we will click over here, means just after employee ID number. Then we will click next. From here we will select text. Here we will click and here also we will select text and we will do finish. Here we will get a pop-up and we have to do OK. And all the details got divided into different columns: employee number and employee name. We can rename from here: employee number, name. This is the data in which I have got details of all my employees and I want to create mail ID for all. And I want to create mail IDs in two ways. First, only with names, and second with names as well as initials. I'll copy name from here and I'll paste it over here. I'll make a small. I'll copy this once again and I'll paste it over here. I have got first name over here also. I'll take initials from here. So initial is Monk. I'll put dot Monk. So our name got inserted over here and we see name with initials over here. We will come over here and we will type @officemonk.com. We will come down and we will press Ctrl E and all the mail IDs got created in a single click. Over here also we will enter @officemonk.com. We will come down and we will press Ctrl E and all the mail IDs got created with initials over here. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.